Wow, check out here. Got a disconnected trailer tandem. Yeah, it's a tandem here. The whole thing, one piece, man. Nice. Oh, it has the manual handle tandem release, and this should be the front part of the trailer. That would have been the back part. Man, just interesting. Look at all that stuff, man. Wow. Airbags, shocks, drums, man, a lot of pieces. It's probably salvageable. Shocks are broken in the back though. You got the brake chambers still attached, airbags. Wow, really interesting when you're able to see all that. What is that, the load leveler? Yeah, that's the leveling valve right there with the rod. Man, nice. Axle still connected. Plenty of pieces, man, under. You know, you got the hub seals on the side. Man, nice. All connected there. The airbags just collapsed. I don't think it's torn up, is it? Is it torn up? Got that shock broken over there too. Wow. Brake chamber. Brake chamber. Collapsed airbag. That's the feeder. I don't know. One airbag looks smaller than the other. No, they are the short ones here. Really, really interesting, man. Wow. I hope I'm not going too fast, but plenty of parts available there. You know, it comes real. Oh, nice pieces, man. Wow. Man, a picture of that. Nice. Wow. Damn. Must have took a bad hit there. I thought I was interested, you know. Trailer tandem axle, all parts. I don't know if they're selling them or just going to use parts off of it. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it.